Wiha PicoFinish Precision Screwdrivers are the standard for premium quality. The drivers feature cushion grip handles for comfort and control, and the dual durometer material is direct molded to the blade for a permanent bond. The PicoFinish style includes a hex profile finger grip for precise torque and a tapered handle for rapid rotation. The handles are sized proportionate to the tip and feature an extra-long smooth turning cap for multiple hand positions. The driver tip profiles are labeled on the cap to quickly and easily identify the driver you need when stored vertically. Wiha PicoFinish Precision Drivers consist of premium quality tool steel and feature exact fit precision machined tips for reduced cam out of fastener heads. Wiha PicoFinish Precision Screwdrivers are the standard for premium quality. Designed and engineered by Wiha Germany, made by Wiha Germany, backed by the Wiha No Hassle Guarantee. Wiha, tools that work for you.